welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Chalan and today I am testing the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaving Stick. It's a foundation stick and I did try the luminizing primer from L'Oreal already. Like, it's the same range. And I really was like so curious about the foundation stick as well because I seen some amazing reviews of it, so I really wanted to test this myself. And yeah, if you want to see if this is working, then just keep on watching. Okay, so on this half of my face I did use the L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer, and on this half of my face I just used a regular like face base. I always put on, it's like a lotion, and yes. So now to make sure that I don't transfer any of the primer to this side, I will start applying the foundation on this side right here. That's what the foundation looks like. I picked the lightest shade, which is Ivory, and just pop that on. Oh, it feels so soft. I've had one of these foundation sticks before, which was from Maybelline, I guess, and it was just so dry. I really couldn't work with it, but this one feels so soft and creamy, buttery. Oh gosh, it feels amazing. So now that is on, I would just blend that in with a wet beauty sponge, which is from Real Techniques, and I use this one like all the time. It's just this orange one. Goes in so well, you guys. I was just like so afraid that the shade wouldn't fit me, but this thing, it does match my neck quite good. Coverage is like medium, but it's definitely buildable, I guess. So I did put on a little bit more on my like pimple and underneath my eyes. Like, this area is just so red always, and that's the result without putting on any concealer at all. And I think it's like so impressive. It feels so good on the skin as well. Not too like cakey, I guess. It still looks natural, but I do have foundation on and that you can see it a little, I guess. I was just not sure if this was going to work with me because I have such dry skin and foundation sticks don't usually like work for me, but this one worked and it's totally worth the price as well. Like, holy moly. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I am obsessed with this foundation stick like so much. I don't really kind of see or spot a difference between the two sides. Okay, maybe this one is a little bit glowier than this one because I did put on the primer on this side on my face, like on this half of my face, and on this side I didn't. But I think that on both sides this foundation stick worked perfectly, and it looks cute and I love it, and the applying process is so easy as well and so fast, so I cannot wait to work with this on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already, and click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video. And yep, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!